How to connect PC and laptop to mobile hotspot. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, on your phone, open settings, click on search button at the top, and then click on hotspot. After you search hotspot, click on hotspot. Again, click on hotspot. Click on Wi-Fi hotspot. And then turn on your hotspot. Simply select your name and then your password. After you've done that on your laptop, what you need to do is simply at the bottom you will find Wi-Fi option. Click on Wi-Fi option and turn on your Wi-Fi. After that, you will find the name you kept earlier. Click on it and click on connect. Then enter the password you created earlier and then press on next. Your laptop will be connected to mobile hotspot. And this is how to connect PC and laptop to mobile hotspot. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.